Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify tax settings, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left menu, locate and click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, find and select Taxes. In the Tax Settings page, check if it needs updating, click the Edit button next to your store address. After adjusting the address, save your changes. Next, review the tax regions listed to ensure they align with your business locations. If you need to add a new tax region, click on Add a tax region. Choose the country or region to which you'd like to apply taxes. Once selected, enable the tax calculations for that region. You can also specify product tax classes for more accurate tax settings if necessary. To do this, navigate to Settings, then select Tax Overrides. Here, you can add or edit product tax rates as needed. Return to the main tax settings page. Make sure to check the box for Collect Sales Tax if applicable. You may want to enable Include Tax in My Prices if you plan to display tax-inclusive pricing. Review your settings once more to ensure everything is accurate. When satisfied, click Save to apply your changes. Finally, consider testing your checkout process to verify that taxes are calculated correctly. Your Shopify tax settings are now configured for your store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.